Impact is a pretty scary word, and to make an impact is a pretty heavy burden. 'Cause we wanna do it right and be respectable and kind to give me.
Impact to me is really building bridges between academics, students, societal stakeholders, and jointly looking into a future with AI, and especially the societal impact of AI.
We have a lot of important partners, but I guess the city of Rotterdam is very important for us.
Leaning to an otherwise so ordinary life. Oh, I learned impact is a pretty.
It didn't start with this strategy and it doesn't end with this strategy, so we'll make sure it doesn't end with this strategy.
What really makes me proud is that as a Erasmus University, we're not only having those firm words, but we're acting. So, niet lullen maar poetsen. And this is really an example of this.
Great. Congratulations and well done, and very, very pleased to see this.
The idea is, what is the societal impact?
This refers to the significant effects or changes that activities or policies have on the society.
Impact is a pretty scary word, and to make an impact is a pretty heavy burden. 'Cause we wanna do it right and be respectable and kind to give meaning to an otherwise so ordinary life.
The main learnings for engagement at Manchester, I'd say the two main important ones are one, to listen and really listen to the good and the bad and what people tell you. And the second is to be prepared to work on someone else's agenda and work with community and civic partners, but on what they want to start working with rather than from our point of view on research or teaching.
If we really want to do engagement and engage scholarship, that requires that we also focus on engagement internally with each other. So hence we have to look into the organizational development and cultural change to enable engagement.
Oh, I learned impact is a pretty scary word, and it gets messy and it cannot be controlled. But if you dare to set it free and dare to listen before you speak, then maybe we can plant the seeds that will soon grow into trees.
We, as a university, we have always had a lot of impact. So what impact for me now is, as a value, is to think more critically about the kind of impact we want to have as a university, to rethink the university through this notion of positive social impact.
Yeah, we think if there's something like societal impact and you want your colleagues to do it, you should at least recognize and reward them for it, right? That's the short answer.
Impact is the prettiest of words, 'cause it means that we care about our work. And it's never really finished, but if your heart is really in it, then it's only.
The advice that I have to create societal impact is actually to start small. So to start talking with your friends, with your family, with your colleagues, something that is bigger than you, a community that you don't see, that you're actually part of.
Maybe that's why it's important that today we celebrate, that you listen to your heart and you are learning.